This is how to change the smaller belt on your giant mow made by Giant Vac Mower. So there is 3 belts on this. One is a transmission, and then you can see this blue belt connects and is powered by the transmission. Then it goes to the center pulley or spindle, and then to the one to the right. This smaller one that we're going to change now is goes from the center, which is a double pulley on that spindle, this one, and then there's an idler. So if you look at this, and with the idler pulley, oops, thought I did this ahead. So with the idler pulley loosened, oh, that's bottomed out, that's why. So if I move that, all right, so it was already loose. All right, so let me put that back. So with the idler pulley as loose as possible, right, which I can easily get this off, and then I come over here, totally hung up. So, and let me just show you, right, it's not. And in fact, on the other side, I had the same issue, and in the process, you can see that broken pulley. I was able to get a replacement. When I get that and I install it, I'll put the part number for the pulley. But what I'm gonna do, and what I learned in hindsight, you can see over here, there's a little bit of play. And it's probably not, you're not able to see it probably well in the video, but I've got this cleaned up a little bit, and it's the same over here. It's a 9/16 on the bottom, 9/16 on the top, because this was an American-made product. And all we're gonna do is loosen that, take the bolts out, the spindle will move around, it won't fall through because it's got that pulley, and we're just gonna shift it over. You know, I think we'll be able to get about 3/16 out of it, and that should be more than adequate, plus the angle. We're gonna be able to slide that belt right off and put the new one on. So I'm gonna pause this and come back after I do it. All right, so I hit that with the impact, and again, that was a 9/16 above, 9/16 below. It's still sitting in place here, but hopefully, when I grab this, exactly what I hoped, boom. So I'm gonna take that off, throw that aside, grab my new one, and there's the part number, and we're gonna slip that back in place. Now, before I do, this was actually interfering with the old one that I had kept in place just until I got the new one here, and that's gonna go there, around. You get the point. But hey, I'm having fun with this, and I'm going to continue to post little videos. This is, I've got a URL below, and somebody else turned me on to this, but yeah, anyway, I'll keep posting videos out there. There's your part number for the small one. The large number, I'll put it in the comments. And hey, this is a great little mower made in America. I can't go wrong with that. Good luck.